Chin need to go to church. Tina, you need to go to church. Me not call you.
Yes, man. You need to go church. Tell her again there. But you don't need to go to lady. So I don't recommend people to things you only need to. Anyway, happy Friday, my people. Happy Friday. Blessed to all of the people that may have a payday. I do have one today. You understand? And blessed to all of the people that may know so then could I pick the liquor we didn't get last week when I was there in fortnight. Yes. And the week before when it was the month end, and them a pick it because they know the next pay bill now come this week. And who I get pay a month end still have another 2 weeks. Blessings to you. As soon as you know if you pick a little bit of money you wanna have. And make sure it can serve. When you not go to a store, go buy this your shoes, that your pants, this and come brag out here upon nobody. When you not spend much $1,000 keep birthday party. And then you no benefit back nothing, and then tomorrow morning you're not hungry. When me a grow then say feasting today and famine tomorrow. No make that reach on. No make it reach you don't want to do if you have a roof over on your head because you don't want to prove to people. Prove to yourself and God. You don't need to prove to nobody. Anything you do to make your life better off, and you know within yourself that makes you happy, you don't come out here come pretend and do things to make you happy. Make it seems like you're happy when you're doing it for others, and make yourself unhappy, because at the end of the day you spend $1 where you couldn't afford to spend just to please people, for people feel like you have money when you could have spent 30 cents and have 70 cents to save till next week. When your blank week come round and you pinch that till your fortnight come again. Alright? So, remember. Always please yourself. Now please people. And enough of them out here please people and then go and like say themselves, them are pleased and them happy with it. But we know them not happy. So bless upon yourself, and when you don't know they do, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. I'm asking you please, especially you new subscribers, I'm asking you please go over upon Life is a Mission TV and YouTube and give me a subscription. Family oriented channel, different sort of sitting over there than we over here so. Alright? Cook vlog indoor, outdoor. And when I say cook vlog, I don't mean cooking regular stuff. Yes, you might see regular stuff, but the main thing over there is to cook things outside of the box where you would even think of cooking and you wonder, Lord, how that I got taste. Skin up all your face when me I do it. Yes. But it's for you to try it and taste it. Outside of the box. Commentary and a whole. Bar talk, corner talk, newscast, you name it, entertainment. A different variety of things. A breath of fresh air. TikTok are the same thing. Life is a Mission TV. Follow me over there. Another different fresher breath over there also. So when you check the 3 platforms, it's almost 3 different type of something you see. And I see the same thing. Me now line up 3, 4 now for you so. And I give the apps the same thing. When I give the apps and the apps and no. Different thing. And that me I try to look into when me hear some of them and said, you know, them is so gifted and them talented. But 8 still them have 4 platforms and the same thing. When you look on the platform, them are the same thing I go on the 4 platform. Not the different. How can you be gifted and talented? TikTok followers is a different type of followers from YouTube, Facebook. You understand? So you have to try to mix the thing. You can't have the one all time they sitting there going over Facebook, carry it over YouTube. And carry it over YouTube and Facebook over TikTok. You have to mix it. And what better way to have 3, 4 platforms with 3 different things. So if you even over yourself over YouTube and you say, I'm going to see what I go on, I like TikTok, you know, I go over there. At least you can go over there and see something for me. Facebook, the same thing. You understand? Anyway, so I don't know what to do, just do the do. And remember, I can support the merch on the website, charmsandtrend.shop. Speak my mind merch, Life is a Mission TV merch. You know, the cash app is there, $ charms and trends. When you give me use a gift to give back to the needy. If you want to give me, you know, my cash app on a Zelle, and you want to reach out, you can reach out to me at 876-221-9789. I will take it from there. When you give me, at the end of the month, we give back to the needy. You know, based on how we have it. You understand? We're not getting a bad nothing for put on, we're not run no charity. If you not say nothing, I just saw one of the ask it. see this month gone and I reach out and I never get $1 from anybody, but me still do it out of the little what me have. Would I like to know so I could stretch it a little further than that. You understand me I say? But I just so it broke off, so I just so it have a pop. Me not gonna do like people like me can't go up this and me can't go up there. Alright? So when people come on board and pass a little $5, $10, $20, $30 because of how them have it, you know, it can just add to the thing and make either the one bag nuffer, or if it can stretch, we can create 2 bags. We create 2 bags, so at least we stop a gap with 2 person. Alright? So I just go support the merch. That also help me, because the profit from whatever help me. People, as I hear the video start, man say I tell Tina to go to church. I don't know if I possess this girl possess or what. I don't know. But something alright. And a ninja man voice. Something alright. Because I think the wagon she jump on with the whole Kris and Trinidad saga and Kia and Wusio and Kia and whatever them want name of Trinidad. I think okay, after pass there too, she don't know. But based on what she has said, it's like the person has come out and said something again that is Kia or whatsoever over Trinidad. So she took the opportunity again. Because as I said, Easter is around the corner. And whatever opportunity she get and content she can get on social media to make up the same coins where she come and cuss people about over here. For stars and likes and coins, that's the same thing now she a run down. So she look enough content to see what she can put together by the next car. She only get it for this term. This pay bill coming up. So whatever she can get, because the next pay bill I go fall right in the Easter. So should have come out strong if she not have no, well she don't normally have no bag of order. So she run down the kinds. So she come out here upon Kris. She come out here upon Kris. I wanna know coming out here upon Kris, it not just stop at Kris. At somewhere along the line it going go Donna. But one name call will also surprise me. Because she have it to say, these people have to lick Kris. You understand what I say? When a Kazim should have do that. And she now lick no boy up. You understand? Right. But I have here she come out here, but knowing she have motive behind things when she do it. Them may not do nothing from them heart. Them may not do nothing without having a motive. I remember, because me I scroll through my YouTube, you know, I miss my book up the video I do with Dimes when she come out and say she apologized to that. I lie, me never scroll through. Me I go through and they comment them. And the video with Dimes I do when she come out and say she apologized to Dimes. Somebody say, oh, me never see this video yeah. And when me look, I saw which video this that person yet, and me look, me realize I saw the Dimes video. And this is before me see that video yeah, you know. So she come out and include Dime also. Say Dime after kiss such man up. So me I say, but wait, how Dime's coming at this? Alright, we know say you always attach Donna name because Kris. And Donna name always are going to the top of your lip because you don't know your motive is to get views and attention and be relevant and you know. But you apologize to this woman, which this woman is not a woman to come out here and create any animosity or any problem or any trouble. You know, and then you have to call the woman name in this. Anyway, people, I could get into the video.
Right? Because things are come out about him. About the boy, the one in England, the one who have the cake shop. What if things are come out about him, say him homeless. And since night we are here, say him homeless about 50 times the backside. Eh? How much time him homeless, I would never know.
Looking company boy.
Shame. Could make that one me have to jump on. Me never gonna come on.
You're looking company man. You
Right?
have people for
Me never
stagnant
gonna
like
come on,
you.
but me have to jump on.
Want to listen to Keely.
You get me? Well, I'm gonna read a long message. Well,
Listen to Keely because she
good
talk
night,
about
everyone, especially to the person that Jack has mistaken me for.
she gonna talk about Kris decoration of cake because me say she a look company. Right? And one bag of something weird decoration and cake. I don't want to talk about the video till she reach this. But I want to bear in mind. At one stage of this video, she's going to say something. And I am going to go for some. I go for two memory and play it in the video. You don't want to see my face when it play because I mean I have time to record it over. So what I'm going to do, I do it on a dark screen already. So I just go edit it to this instead of me stand up like when you see me now and me I play it. But me I beg you please. Me I beg you pass that one, because it's not normal, it not sound good, it not nice. Things that I've said into it, many of you probably don't like to hear it, or someone not a problem with it, because worse as she, it's all about. But you don't know, we have little people over here where have a whole heap of God in them. Yes, so them still there over here because you don't know. We have to pay some respect to them. So me I beg you know. It's either you go listen with one ears, so you not hear much of what say, or when it say it just trips. Yeah. But me just go play two memory at some part of this video. I make you hear after she say what she say. Alright? But me I beg you pardon. I beg you pass it. Alright? Alright. That is only if YouTube allow it, because all me I go do it, that's why me I have to go edit it, because I don't want to do it in the video and then I have to go edit it out. It will take too much work. So what I'm going to do, I am going to just play it from a dark, editing from a dark screen, and then I upload it now. If YouTube don't allow it, then now me just scrap it back out and continue with the video. So if you don't see it in the video, you don't know, so I have to crap it out after me upload it. YouTube never allow it. Alright? Restriction was on it.
Them I think you are me, Patsy, rotted. them always put my name on things, but all things I don't know about them attach my name to poor me. Haven't you seen him on live decorating his cake, making strange things from scratch? That is a fact that, listen, Jamaica 876, you're over here try to defend him. We're not saying that he cannot decorate. You're missing the point. You're missing the point of what we're saying. Right?
What is your point?
Defend something that makes sense.
Foolish to see a
right?
chat.
We're not saying he cannot decorate. What we're saying is that most of the stuff that he put out, it's not him who did it. Which part of that I understand? Right? Most of people like Uno make them slackness, you continue and don't stop the slackness.
Most of the stuff that you put out is not
you would condone him dragging me, right? Me who I learned the craft from beginning. I mean, me I learn the craft, me I pay my money, me I apply myself to learn the craft, Jamaica 876, right? And him come out and I drag me for no reason at all. Are you in agreement with that? You shouldn't be in agreement with that, so why you come out defending him? This is what I don't understand with Uno careless people, right? Uno condone him and drag me and I tear down my business and all them something there, and when something bad come out about them, Uno you point it out and say, alright, this come out about them and it bad. Uno not hold them accountable, but me, Uno I beat down every day because them people here, Uno hold themselves accountable, I beat me down 24/7.
This same accountable argument and apology where she probably want people to come give to her, then she said she would even take the apology because them do things because them want views and hype. Which she's the same thing, because probably that's the same thing why she come out and apologize to Dimes. And then I go come back here so and call up the woman name. Despite that was a long time and I must have waited last year. And I have not heard she and our Dimes even call her name, despite I don't listen much of Dimes. But you don't know, if me not listen to somebody else, you carry it. If there's a little cascas and we see it and it float in a social media, some would have see it. But she's just the identical things of what she want to have people off. You understand? But the part now, where she go say, not for the cake them when him do, and not him decorate them. This is no secret, T-girl. There is so many times Kris come out and say I'm worker them do this and not him do this. Down to the same cake where you come out, come find all kind of things and go do research and come and say what Versace mean and this and the look at this and the look at that mean. The man did tell you on the live when Donna congratulate him for the work to how the cake look. And him say funny, you know, it's not even me do it, you know, it's the staff do it. It did say so. And multiple times this man come out here and tell you say enough time the cakes them decorated and that for him where they call it now instruction by his staff. Him tell them what him want. And that's the good thing about it when you have a business and you is the heart and soul of the business and you can get people who you can trust, who is trustworthy, who is willing to put the effort out in it. They might not put the whole 100, but put the effort out in doing the things the way you want it to keep your brand going. And if this man can find people who him can trust to decorate and doing things as him want it, it only better for him when him can live in business and know say boy him thing around. Remember this man can stay in a plane and operate whatever want sales and whatever in a business. Unlike you take that time out to scroll social media on your laptop instead of have certain things in place where you can enhance your business. So this is not nothing Kris hide. Kris has said this multiple times. So sometime I'm in work as them decorate the cake. Not to say him can't decorate cake, and this is why the person come in your comment and say this. Because that's how you make it look. Because you're trying to size up, because you're trying to say him come out here boast like him do it and not him do it. That's exactly the message you're sending. And this is why the same person will come in your comment come say with them say make you go at them about 876. You never say that's what you're trying to put out here. Because if this man you talk over and over so much time, it's enough time I'm work as them decorate the cakes. Even the same cake where you have the problem about at the woman party, the man talk it publicly when she were congratulating him. Funny is it? Funny, you know, it's not even me decorate this cake, you know. I give the instruction. So don't come out here, come make it look like the man I come show something. You know that I am the one who, you know, make this kosher card and I don't know, he make it a one print around so. The man never ever make it look like all these things that decorated is him. But you're trying to paint a picture. Like most of the things that when you say him do it, a people do it. Because you look somebody for side with you. You look somebody side that you for stagnant like you. But I never say him can't decorate. But the picture where you try paint and that you try do.
Does that make sense? Does that make sense, Jamaica 876? Right? We don't love too much slackness too much. You understand? Look how them come out and tell us that the boy homeless and living at the back of the cake shop and the whole lot of sit down there quiet, right? But the
you
other
can't
day
prove that you know you just a run it story where you hear because he's a storyteller.
Come and put on billboard about my homeless and the whole lot of run with it. The whole lot of me not homeless, you know, but the whole lot of run with the story say my homeless.
Yeah, people are gonna run this story because as something will possible for happen to you being homeless. But people now see it possible for happen to Kris. Not saying it cannot happen because we never know what can happen. But people are quicker to see you homeless because of the time where you spend for somebody who say you're a business woman. The time where you spend in your business to where you spend in a people business, social media, passa, all kind of things. People that more feel like you understand? Would be homeless. Where him is concerned. So nobody now gonna run and gravitate to this way or run in a circle late. Because a man cannot be homeless unless he not live nowhere. You understand? So if the man have two places where him a pay rent for, if a place him can't get free rent and a pay rent and him sacrifice having two business places where probably him not need one, him can sacrifice one for somewhere to live where him can go lie him head. All people are gonna believe say the man homeless. The man scaling down from the 24th floor as well according to you looking over the whatsoever river or ocean. That no mean say him homeless. He did come out here publicly and tell us him I go downsize because I want one in one place. I know we not hear you come out here open to own your own place. Oh. story where you get from Trinidad real.
I only run with it and
You have
believe
proof
it.
of
But
it says real.
this true story come out about that
Yes,
boy there in
true
England.
story.
I
All
will
you
not come
know
out and
is true
defend it.
story.
Make that make sense. Make
You
it
want
make
them have any
sense.
connection and them give evidence?
Eh?
You want who give you the
Make it make
story?
sense.
Them give you evidence? So out the true story.
But at that him do cover, him attach himself to anybody forget look of fame. You know, hear Kazim a while ago say, him attach himself. This is how him get the people them for follow him, because really people are, really and truly people don't like him like that, you know. Nobody don't know him like that, you know. So what him do, him attach himself to people who have
In
knowings
every
on social
section of
media,
your life you
and
want
then
company.
him
That
scrape
people
from
don't
the
like
top,
you like that,
any
so you
little
want
followers him
company.
can get from them people there, and that him do. Just like how him attach himself to me, say him want me do interview and all them something there. Remember, you know, him did come to me and want me do interview like him want a bake off between me and him. And him they want me and him do the bake off. And I remember going over to my kitchen in Jersey.
So who would be the
Figure
better
do the
baker at the
bake off
time?
for them, but they kind of come to a deal like, okay, me
Who
could
would
do
have be the
bake
better
off for them.
baker at the time?
And
This man
it
you have
just
been
so
long
happened that
before,
when
you
we
know,
ready
based
for
on
do
the
the
history
bake
when
off
you
for
know.
them on
And
live,
it's a lie
the
matter.
internet never did a
So
work.
who would have
We
be the
did
better
have
baker?
problems with
You?
the Wi-Fi over by my bakery, right?
Your
And
bakery.
as God would have it, I start
Your
pick up
bakery.
something about
You're
him, and I say
right.
something alright. I'ma just cut off the live. But cut off the live, you know, and when I cut off the live now, I realize that this boy a user, his followers him did a look.
Everything is
Right?
followers for you.
His followers him did a look all them years there. Him never really liked me. A followers him did a look.
So what's your followers that you have I do for you?
The world no level, Lewis. The world
Where
no
your followers
level.
where you have I do for you? Every day you talk about
I'm
followers, them
on
do nothing for you.
YouTube, I'm on Facebook. You understand? What love can do too much slackness. Call it for what it is. Look how the boy beat me down and the boy with him demented self, like
All
him the
them something
real
I know.
self.
I'll leave
Beat
for
me down
me, I go
all
play them
these
two
years
video.
of things that people
That
blame me
video
for
can
women
put it in
do.
a one.
Him
That
and
video
blame me.
when I go
Look how
play.
the other day him come out
All
and
I go
cuss
say
about
I
box
leave me
cake,
to
but
do
me
this.
use box cake. A box cake, and then you hear say a box cake him a use. Eh? Him a use box cake and him come out and a cuss me about box.
Oi, come on. It's a total different thing. The man come out and him said yes, there is like a bulk cake mixing box for people who bake a vast amount of cake. They would use it to help subsidize, I think him said, in the mixture. But the use of how you use that box mix is totally different. You totally use that box mix to do what you want to do. Because the box mix, you know, I don't eat you use bake no cake, you know, because you don't bake no cake. You don't bake any cake. You buy the ready-made cake, and whatever size cake you make, with a slim, mager, tiny, wingy, fat, or slobber, you pad it up with the amount of icing, or you trim it down to the size where you want. And that's why most time you have so many problems in trimming down the cakes and them lean. Because your technical skill in doing that not work. And sometimes a mason might mash up a wall where you look, you see the block then stay so. But you see the man where I come and dress the wall, it might take more material. But at the end of the day, the same wall where you see the block them go so when it dress up, so you see it straight. Because the man will come dress the wall, see it might take more time, more material. But at least, but you all when you ice in the cake still stays so. You understand? So the man never deny whether him use cake mixer or whatsoever. So don't come because you want to make it look as if, oh, see them I talk about that. Because I see him think I'm going like him decorate cake and not him decorate it. One just feel like one can come out here and twist things and everybody are gonna gravitate to it and twist it. It's just look of fool people them over on the platform are gonna believe, you know. And deep down, enough of them not believe, you know. Them just cheer you know and make you feel like say they are with you. And that's hypocrites. Those are hypocrites. Them for just tell you as it is or them not cheer on on. It not make no sense them know so you do foolishness or you say foolishness or you do bad and then I cheer you on like a something good you do and deep down of them. Better you not say nothing, not cheer. Just listen, keep your mouth locked like you never hear nothing to talk about. But when you come out defend and a cheer her on and deep down you know say when she do this foolishness, you are hypocrite and the eye water go fall upon you too, not just Tina.
Skate. Make that make sense. Eh? So everything what him cuss me about and what him a do, does that make you not see nothing wrong with that?
Twist your style upon somebody else. Yes?
Everything the boy cuss me about is what him a do. Oh, not go overlook that. So uno want me for just play the victim, me a collateral damage, so uno can look good in everybody's eyes, not a blood clot. Me nah sit down and be no collateral damage for uno bullies look big, right? Uno want look big as bullies and want come in and use me as collateral damage for building a blood clot self. No, I don't
video
think
them
so.
one over here,
I don't think
9-year-old
so.
video them, and it's long before that. So when she go say come in the
Right.
social media, come make she play collateral
And him can't
damage.
answer these guys,
Hey.
but yet still there him there out, him dep on the live. But him 40 days, 40 nights, and ride me day and night. Remember when me did God suck out the look of fat out of me and me in a one group. The boy find the picture and put it up on him page and make people hey man, him is a nasty piece of work. Freddie, you remember when me go do me lipo? I'm in a one group, surgery group. Them did have enough of them surgery group that on Facebook. I never did hide nothing. I'ma post it in the surgery group. Look like somebody in the surgery group, so I'ma post it and take it and send it go game. Pants mouth no do nothing, Kris no do nothing more than take it and post it.
Was
on
the
him
surgery group a
page,
private group?
Post it on him page
Was
and
it a
make him and
private
him
group?
woman
Just like how you're
followers
going like
them
your daughter post her
drag me,
beads
man.
out here. Like a
Well,
private,
remember
if you
that when
post
him
and
post
people find it.
my lipo, it's not a picture of me. It was like a picture of something, and him post it on him page. For make the dirty woman name on him page drag me. When me go do the lipo some
The more that
years
drag
ago.
you get in a social media,
Yeah,
you're gonna make the
man.
people them hear it. I not just know you get dragged in a social media. So why you get dragged in a social media? Because you're rubbish. You all haul at you. But people drag you. You have been dragging in a social media all because of your own self. So I not just know what me say people the video them we are gonna play. The audio one I go hear a 9-year worth of audio. 9 year.
But catch the rate. As so much time the dirty boy homeless. Eh? Think about as so much time him homeless people. So we there. Oh, that merciful Father. So this man a cuss me. I say me stagnant. The one of them a cuss me. I say me stagnant. I'm a poor. I'm a broke. But this man homeless every.
You hard,
The
Tina.
only
You
time
hard.
him have
Accept it. You
stability, I
hard.
wanna be living in
You're
a tall
stagnant. You're
building
poor. You're broke.
But him homeless the entire
A
time.
day to day you live off a customer money. Day to day you live off a customer money.
Him homeless the entire time. So this is somebody when I have no abiding city, him not have no stability, nothing. So how him a cuss no?
You know, say out of all of the baker them out here, or out of all of the business people them out here where you come out for, over the diaspora, you know, say you are the only one people, or advertiser I should say, people for pay for things before you give them it. With all the bad record you have in shipping people things, and blame it on UPS. Take your camera, go down on UPS and show UPS sign and counter say you're dead. And when you reach at the clerk with you talk, you put your phone on mute. You want to prove a point to social media, say you isn't the one at fault. But you go down there and you show and you talk when you show it. As you reach the clerk to address the matter, you mute your phone. So how can we believe that UPS was at fault? the same package twice. Come on. The replacement, the original package and the replacement. Why you mute your phone? No. But as I say, you are the only one in social media over here, so I say I do business, you're a big business woman. Where advertise and like you bound people for pre-order and send them money come. Because you know why? You live off a customer my money daily. My money make that man the cake. And when you make that man the cake with my money, me have to sit down and wait. That's why most time, because the order them now come fast enough for you can get the opportunity to spend the money. My order now, me have to go wait for the next man because fee money I go make my cake. Tina, you're broke and pauperizing and poor. Nobody no need test glass, you see that. Nobody no need no magnifying glass or no binoculars. One of the most, what you call it now? Binoculars were in the US Army where them can steer right out in the middle of the water and see way down at China, Russia and all about through that the binoculars there. Nobody no need that. If you say you're poor and pauperizing. Lead the way, Tina. Lead the way. Lead the way. There's so many out here that you should have come out here and apologize to, and you have not. You still can't do it. If some even pass and gone, at least you free your conscience say they apologize. Because you grow and you realize and you take accountability. The same thing where you ask other people to do. Take accountability for their wrongs and come and apologize. You owe so many people out here the same accountability you owe to yourself to come out and come apologize to people. Why don't you lead the way? Set the example and lead the way. Don't come out here come ask sorry that you're not setting the example when there is so many people out here. You don't have to come out here and face them and say, oh, I'm sorry. Come out here and make a public apology. So it will be on record. You did apologize to Ninja Man. You did apologize to Tony Mataran. You did apologize to Leisha. You did apologize to Rapper Crapper. You did apologize to all Rapper Crapper woman. You did apologize to Raga Rugi. Raga Shan. Come on. Take your accountability and come out here and apologize. Lead from the front. Lead from the front. The same thing you're requesting from others. You lead from the front. And make others follow.
I wouldn't even take it because he's so deranged that you don't even know if it's real or if it's fake or whatever. You know what I'm not there? Because it's true him do everything for likes and him do everything for views. You don't know
that's
what's real or what's fake.
To them because they have likes and views.
All along, you know, even when I see him friend one day at Jamaica, you know, I say, oh no, go
here
on,
she
man.
go.
Because him
Here she go.
You know what I mean? And that remember when him
That's
friend the one
there
at Jamaica, I say, oh no, go on, him can't tame. You get me? Because I see something in him where me know say he's very deceiving. You get me? Me now can't understand madness, Rosemary, because me always I try to figure out why him I do them things there. I remember when him see me do curly cake last year, the boy, when Curly asked me for do our cake,
the
boy go on with himself and create one. Remember, me not see this boy, me not see me now.
You do curly
from
what?
From a paint, you know. All him hear is that Curly asked me for do our cake and him just get up and start name up himself and create
Alright, when
one
the man
big
see the
excitement
cake,
and name up
the man
himself.
start passing a search on.
Oh, see you. And him name up himself and
Make that make sense. Why Kris would I hear say Curly ask she to do her cake? That are the big old funeral purple cake. We not everything should do a funeral. Cause then say the one this year a headstone. And the one where they are like funeral cake, you know, after funeral feeding, yeah. But why Kris would have a problem with Curly asking her to make her cake? When it's not like Curly and Kris was having some form of relationship even at the time. Because remember, during that time, the whole letter writing pan Sophia job and one bag of sitting and Curly was a big part of that. She and Kris now nothing going on. Whether them did have before or not, me sure them time they know, them never have nothing going on. So why Kris would that ear set you got Curly ask you to make her cake and upset about it when there wasn't a chance of him wanting to make that cake, or there wasn't a chance of Curly going to ask him to make that cake? Make it make sense. This is what I am saying to Uno out here, people. These people just come out here and make up story and tell the public and fool them with on them platform. Them not listen and wonder and think twice and pick sense out of nonsense and turn it in a sense. No, them just run it with them here. Why Kris should do that? And it wasn't a chance of him making Curly cake, or Curly I got asked him to make her cake. Better you did say after the cake. There, everybody criticized the cake. And he did criticize it also.
You understand? But here one no. Here what? Right? Me never know say. Right? Mama tell you no. If you have a business, right, and you have people that work for you, that's fine. If you have people that decorate for you, that's fine. But it's just the way how him present the cakes them, him present the cakes them and a bully me, like say me nah do what me need for do as a cake decorator. Even though I'm a transparent out here and make people know say listen, I just did coming out of the business, may I learn the thing, may I be patient. This boy just come out and a bully me left, right and center, and then him get other bitches to hate for me for no reason. You understand? I'm not even gonna call them women, I'm gonna call them bitches. Him get them for hate for me for no reason.
You hear her? He might beat her down for decorate cake when she just a learn and she talks and she just a learn and he see them get people for do and then him present it like what she a try to say. He might present these cakes like he might decorate them. I don't know, he might decorate them. Kris now own something where him not do. If I'm staff do it, I'm staff do it. Remember now, you know, him staff have to prove to him pan test run say them can capable to do things the way how him want it, you know. Because this is why I'm hire them, you know. So when time goes up when him fly gone a yonder and thunder and panda, him business gonna stall and shut down and they pan go slow because him have capable persons to operate each section. Me don't know how much on it here because someone might caught up with the whole excitement. When the cake was presented, the Versace cake was presented to Donna at her party, and she had big up Kris' feet and I tell him, say, boy, look on this. Ray. Kris did say, funny, you know, it's not even him decorate this. I'm staff under instruction. But you just want company because you're not good at it. You just want company.
Keep big talk show up on my name and all them something there. I make people about on my business, but I keep them lean. I keep them like this. Every time I try to a cake decorating class,
even Marcia cake lean.
And I attack my cake decorating class.
You just come from one big sir arm, you call it.
Him the one, me do my business. Everything me do him attack. Me do my run on him attack. Him did this, him attack. Everything me do him attack. It's like me not supposed to run the business. The boy come out and bully me. Every friggin' thing me do. This boy come out and bully me for no reason. You understand? Remember? Everything me do him bully me for no reason. Like I'll tell him say, yo man, you love me no man, me in no argument with you.
If you would ever have your way to convince everybody in a social media, everybody where you eat in a social media, but sorry for them.
Internet or something like that, all because me not kiss him ass like Dimes. It's like how Dimes kiss him ass, cause she not no sense.
Who again?
Him want me kiss for ass like that.
Who
You
again?
see like how 99 kiss him ass, cause she not no sense.
Who should
You
I do
want
it?
me
Who
kiss
should I
him
do it?
ass like that, and quite frankly, me not kiss Kris ass. That's why I'm have Kazim for. No disrespect to Kazim, but that's what Kazim is there for. I am not gonna kiss your ass, Kris, because
This is what she do all the while. She disrespect you and make it look like it was intended. You understand? When you hear me talk about it and point it out already. This is how she go on like, oh, I'm not going to diss Rose. I'm not going to diss. She never disrespect me yet, and the amount of time she disrespect Rose. This is how she do it. Over and over. You going to disrespect the man and say, oh, I don't really intend to disrespect you. So why you get the man involved? Yes, you talk about him husband. You have respect for him. So why you get him involved and disrespect him, and then I was say you don't intend to disrespect him?
it's really and truly
The
you's
moment
not
I
the boss
ask you
of the
if you not
internet.
achieve nothing,
You're a
but
bully.
you just continue to sauce till you find one where you can get something
You
from.
understand me? You just come on the internet the other day. You just come on Facebook and scrape off of other people followers. You understand me? And there's nothing that you know on the internet that I don't know. If you don't see me doing it, it's because I can't bother. But you is not no internet god, Kris. You is definitely not. And you is definitely not the boss of
You
me.
know, so me hear
You
somebody say the
understand?
same
And the
thing.
only man me
They
listen
never
to
go no
is
clue,
God
never hear
and
for
my
yourself.
father. I use none of them.
I mean, I'm talking
So
to
you
you
come on the internet
it's
now
not
and try
here.
go and like say people for bow down to you. You is another 99. You don't act like you don't want people bow down to you when you check the rate. The one I know are careless people. The one I know not a life. The
Better
one I
off
know
than
are
you
low
do.
lives. Who not dunce butu, who
Your
not
high
butu,
life and have
homeless,
education.
and so on and so forth. Who not homeless,
And
who
look
not
at you.
thief. So why me for bow down to set up people like Uno? I wanna can't teach me nothing. Look how much time you homeless, Kris. Eh? Look how much time you're homeless. You're homeless even before you get the shop and you lose the shop and you get. You remember me used to tell you the same. Did have a shop on one corner. If did have a shop on a corner, you know, and the shop full of cockroach and rat, and them going to go shut down the shop. I told you guys that 2-3 years ago, I'm gonna even have a picture of the corner part, which part him shop the dep on the corner or interstate.
Right now, which part you are bake? Infested with rat. It's just because you're not sure inside. But me can't tell you it infested with rat. You remember the day when you reach and say you have to pick one package to deliver, and you come to see if the package deliver. And when you come, you see like the door where you have to walk through open, and you say, so them have this door open and who there? And when you go, nobody never in the place. That same day the skip, the thing where, or a rubbish pan thing where a rubbish truck hook it up and lift up the big or something, we call it skip in Jamaica. I mean, we then call it a fan, or a rubbish pan then. When you look at rat, me see around a pan down around there, so 2 rat just there, so one like one, I say, alright, your time. So when you go talk about the man place infested and them lock it down and what, come on. Probably if you show it in a way, you're just a part where you show it clean. And the things that shine because of stainless steel them. But if you show you the ground surface, because so much probably rat hole in the wall them and they all about which part rat escape. Because once rat in the surrounding, rat liable fit in the building. And anywhere food the angle, especially baked products and oily type of things, we can guarantee you it's a possibility for even one rat or a one roach there are 2 roach or a 2 rat there. It's a great possibility, a 90% chance. And this is why most of these places them have to call in the pest control, like some call them in every month, some call them in like probably every 2 months, 3 months, based on all the volume of how they might see what go on. Look at Kentucky, one of our worldwide brand name restaurant. Burger King, you name them. One time down when you look up a New Kingston behind Kentucky and Burger King, you wonder what go on. If it's a rat to play a football match. And you have the audience separate from who they on the field of play. So most of these places, it's just you have to try to keep it under control, and some of them mean, or don't want to spend the money for protect on the place and set rat bait and rat the little one plastic something where the rat them can go in and go feed and get catch and then can't come out and them something there. Unafraid to spend no money. But once you deal with any type of food, you have to do them something there on a regular basic to minimize. So now come go on like say your place clean which why you are baking up. Because me say me sit rat, me can't go back for the video if you not take it down. When you go for you call it the pass, because you say one pass if you deliver the place where you say you bake or your bakery. And when me look down at the skit when you far from me door, when you look on the surrounding of the place, and then you talk about cleansing, it's move here, man. Move.
Me did put up the picture. Me did put up the picture of the shop. I did put up a picture of the shop. Me go say, me go in my cloud and see if I find it. I've been locked down because health inspectors go in and go find one bag of rat and cockroach at the front. And it there right our intersection on the corner, like it did in the middle of a square or something like that.
So they are not
I want to come out and talk to the boy, go and say a lie, me did I tell. But them time me did I get first and information, and they'll never believe me. First and information me did I get. This was when the boy used to cuss me when me did have the him did a cuss me about storefront and I forgot get a storefront. You remember how passionate him was about it? I thought about go get a storefront, Me glad me never get no storefront because you saw you stressed out. You saw the storefront has stressed you. Me glad me never get no storefront.
A storefront has stressed him. I didn't lock it down.
Storefront.
If a storefront just stress him, I lock it down. I'm gonna lock down one of the place.
All of them business are come out.
Sit down and wait for the rest of them to come
put up
out.
a picture, man. Me did put up a picture. Me gonna look at me find the picture.
You make 3 attempts already, I know you can't find it.
This company internet and text it for me, so me couldn't do
laptop in front of your phone.
Me couldn't do nothing like me could have cuss him and tell him things, yeah. But other than that, me couldn't tell him nothing personal like what Kia could have tell him because me don't know him from a can of paint.
That's why you're running everything with them say. Because you feel like them know him like that, so everything with them attack say, I saw it go. I saw no wine up on yourself in an asshole.
So that's why you run go Jamaica, go friend up night. Well, I'm in a business about you at 99, that a phone business. Because out the Tuano are big friends. So I'm in a business about the Tuano. But that's why they didn't want to friend me. They want to friend me, forget my recipe them. Figure doing at your kitchen.
Your recipe them.
Yeah, like yeah, try help me or yeah, try, them. You know? You understand me? You big drunk or yo?
Your recipe them and back then. I one sitting away from little cupcake then. Where anybody can mix up little flour and sugar and throw little flavor and spice in and sit and bake one cupcake. And throw it like all baby a bake cupcake, throw it like a tray something and shove it in the oven. Your recipe them. When back them time there one sitting you have on the market. One. Kudos to the woman when the woman there Jamaica try all kind of different flavor. And you come out, you come cuss her and beat her down pan it and say she not have no chemist. We do nothing in our kitchen and people belly, but at the same time all of a sudden you start try all kind of sitting, swirl, roll, talk, all kind of sitting. So what you mean the man did want your recipe them? What kind of recipe you did have? You educated enough. So I know like me we dunce. When me come out I come say them, I want something me attack and I say them. When me come out I come say people is one person me attack and me say people me done. So don't have to see with me. We can't see with you. Oh.
You dirty drunk or yo?
Alright, Crowbait.
I know the sad part about it. The whole of the little dirty woman them when used to sit down with him, you know, and beat me, you know. You think so none of them are gonna come and say sorry? None of them not come and say sorry, you know, because them is just like him.
Listen, she wants sorry, apology and everything. And none of them man you should not apologize to her.
You understand?
And many others. I just pull me up here.
You see the same thing when I do to Kia and the guy, Keon, are the same thing him do to me. Right? It's like when him come out and I go on and I show him what and I show him what and I show him what.
Keon call you know or come in your comment section and reply to you down.
Saying that him don't want to hold himself accountable.
feel like he's a queen
right?
now.
Him want to come out here and run him out and talk things about people and the great people and all them something there, but people must come back out for him and hold him accountable. And these things, this is what these grown folks on here don't
Alright, people. She want people to have accountability. She want apology. And she want people to come apologize. You know, listen. As me say, if you don't hear it in the video, and the video, you know, hear me I tell you to listen to these two videos, we wanna get on blank screen, you know, say, me edit it, and YouTube restrict it, so me just do it the way I not end up I go see it. But me not hope YouTube may restrict it. And remember now, there's a lot of words going to use, but someone might not want to hear. And someone might just put me a big on a pass. Alright? Listen up.
Chin. So that listen to the second and the last video me ever do. You are Tina Chin, remember you're a sodomite. Remember Tina Chin, remember girl fuck you with dildo. Remember Andrea fuck you with dildo. Andrea from New York fuck you with a dildo. Remember about the threesome where they do with the two boy them, with the boy, no never two boy, with the boy and the girl and New York at Jamaica Avenue. Tina Chin, remember me know. Tina Chin, remember say you sell coke. You're a fucking crackhead. You're a cokehead, Tina Chin. Tina Chin in the body. You're not a body, Tina Chin, for your class people. You're not a body. You need a life, Tina Chin. You're a crackhead, Tina Chin. Long time retire or Tina Chin. Lip and clit cracky shut to Tina Chin. You full up like blood clot Sunday morning lettuce. Tina Chin, you me attack. How dare you? The second time you do it, and this is the second blood clot video for you, Tina Chin. Tina Chin, a lot of people don't know. You said 20 Mataran. A pose up with Batman. Tina Chin, you're a sodomite. For who don't know, let me tell you, Tina Chin is a fucking A-class sodomite. She not a sodomite like the big league. She not just fuck, she not do girls and then Tina Chin fuck and live and suck pussy. Tina Chin, you're a sodomite. Me attack, me can beat my chest. Tina Chin, you're a sodomite. And for the world I don't know, me say, for the world I know, me not tell life on people. I'm gonna tell lies, man about him, man. I said, Tina Chin, you're a sodomite. So how dare you a class me? Sodomite, Tina Chin, I'm gonna start repeat it. You know what threesome, Tina Chin, I know about them. Cause what my friend them you fuck. I know what a boy where you fuck Tina Chin and I suck them cocky. Tina Chin, you pay a boy for fuck you. How dare you? You beg our body pass. Yeah, class people, Tina Chin. You need to take a book and a pen and write down your fucking sad, miserable life and fix up your blood clot act. Tina Chin, dirty Tina Chin, how dare you go put up my blood clot video and my name and I tell people for add me and Michael. Michael innocent to the world, even know one thing to the world. You know I'm gonna put up the blood clot picture, you know I'm gonna put up your girl picture and tell the world say your blood clot girl other, you know what I'm gonna do it. You know I'm gonna put up your blood, look where we are fuck you and tell the world say I'ma fuck you at him, don't it? You don't want it. How dare you, Tina Chin? How dare you? Sodomite Tina Chin. You think I cheese this? Me rub out your nasty little blood clot. Handicap Tina Chin. Tina Chin, you forgot eat your mother. Find your mother and eat her in a blood clot. Who your mama for make your papa come in her. Lip and clit cocky blood clot. Shut a Tina Chin. You walk a class people. You walk a mud blood clot, people, you forgot from all yourself. You forgot from all your blood clot, says a girl fuck you with dildo. You forgot.
And good night to all again right now. First of all, I want to address the big pussy girl them will live from pink wall and live from black eye. You know that big pussy girl in your mermaid? Wanna feel them or they are God? They are not gods. No, only little orange girl will love run go pan pink wall, go dash out file, and run go pan black eye, go dash out file. Only no notice the whole of baby father, on a man, every man will know I got prison. As soon as them fuck inside, they put up the man them name, them gone to prison. Did you know? Sunday guy me take picture with beer girls. Two tall girl come and take picture. To them on Facebook. Oh, him take picture with transvestite, blah blah blah. Me say me not give a fuck if them they look like angels or demon. I don't care. I take the picture of them because I'm not prejudiced, I'm not racist. Them go about them every ways, me go about my ways. Now this big pussy girl Tina Chin, every time she jump on her blog site, you can go back on her page, go look on it. And you see, she always a pick palm Mataran. Why you don't blog say you have 5 years probation to push up coke up in your big watery submersive pussy? Why you don't do that? Big long time blood clot, old back, grey front, Tina Chin or where you want him. Why you don't blog about the little boy we fuck you? Remember the little boy from New York? We push him finger in you and say your pussy stink and watery and talk a bag of things. Oh, you didn't blog about? Somebody said Tina spy the fire. Whoop the fucking do. The bitch the fire too. You never know. Anyway, back to Tina. Tina, what about the little old man who own the TV place? You remember the TV station? What fuck you and fire you? You remember? I just suck him cocky and him wife find out. Tina, don't make them fucking boots you up and make it turn in a turner, yeah? When you chat about Mataran, you make speculation and assumption. When Mataran talk, you know I know the things them. So why the fuck? You see, I'll dirty worrying met. I fear time now. Yeah, no found about to the afraid I met from.
So on the ear me I say a 9-year-old video them there. And you have video where they up to 13, 14 years. And she not show no accountability. She not come out here come and apologize to nobody. The only person me she apologize to, as me say, is Dimes. And so she come out here in the same video now a disrespect and a style Dimes. Anyway, remember as me say, if you never hear what happen, because YouTube restrict, and me have to just cut it out of the video.
Me edit it. You know, say me edit it, me share it, but me edit this, me make it look like this. My uncle said this.
Go on like say your daughter did post her
what you should have done
piss
was
upon
to come
private.
out and say, I am sorry.
Sorry for what? You're telling nobody sorry?
That's what you should have done.
You come out and tell
Because my daughter
hundreds
didn't
of
do you
people sorry?
anything. You're a grown ass half a century man and you were behaving like a real awful drunkard that day, all for likes and views. My nice daughter didn't do you nothing. And as me telling you, my nice daughter don't even know any
all
Jamaicans.
the people them where you
She's
come
not
out here
like a
find
big
on
daughter with
social
no
media never do
Jamaicans.
you nothing
No,
at all.
the bigger one should not
Go
know
on to others
Jamaicans
as
and
you
big
want others to
Caucasians
do
and
and to do.
Russians and all them type of people that she know. She don't really know Jamaicans like that.
That you have to do.
You understand me? And my daughter got through fear tumor, chemotherapy thing, and she has share her experience from an emotional level with the people them with dep her fear page. And you, one of the little dirty bitches them when know me from in the past. One of them little dirty drunk or bitches there where God no love, right? You want them team up, right? You want a little dirty bitch team up. She tell you my daughter page, right? She tell you which part, what my daughter name and everything like that because she didn't know of my kids them. You like the drunkard that you is. You go find my daughter's page with her post of her expression.
Tina, your daughter post was a public post. Your daughter did not post something in private and somebody inside who have the privilege to see the post take it outside. And if so be the case, you're not supposed to in an argument with whosoever post it, repost it or see it and talk about it. Your daughter and you in an argument with the person who she trusts, who is a part of that group or whatsoever, that take that information out and give it to persons. You would have done the same thing. Right now, you on the mind, you say, you not go down one by one. Which me not see who you talk. I know me not hear you. Me not see which part Kris gone down or nothing at all. Because all what you talk, you just talk off with the people they must say. You understand, you don't have no evidence. But if you forget information right now upon 99, Noel died. Watch it. You get information upon the man mother. Say she dey on veranda sell soap and bleach and this. And you come out, you come tell him. So your daughter thinks public. Remember that was a private thing, you know. He never posted upon him platform, you know. Or somebody when know him and know him mother tell you that and you come out here and you run with it. I try tear him down. Which most of these elderly you can't get them out of sitting with them no because them tell you say, or that me do all the years to send you go to school for you reach where you there. Me don't know nothing else. This me I do until the day them ready for me. And you run up and down with a social media with that. You never consider say the man mother is an elder. You discriminate her and what she do. And your daughter post something public where the whole world can see and people run with it, you have a problem. Who you to? Who you to? I won't alone have a run show, no?
Expressing what she's going through with her tumor.
Express it
right?
in a private.
I find it and
With our
share it
private
to
friends, them in a
and think
group.
it was funny. Right? And then the
Can't she
little
express it
bitch
publicly?
there,
She want the
we
public to know.
follow you up like dimes and and the one of the other drunk with them, the big batty
I
one
wonder
them,
with
and the
that
rest of
Dines,
them
how
were
you do
following
her?
99, and the rest of them, the one of them is bitches too. Because
Just like
if
you,
me
add
have
yourself
a
to the
man
bitch
friend
list. Add
when do
yourself to the
something like
list.
that to somebody's child, me nah rub no shoulders with them.
Dines, how you do her?
And for sure, you all
Me
them
don't know
girl
if you
they
do her
got
anything
some
of
big
late.
dirty stinking bitch. They were able to overlook that and them still rub shoulders with you, even though you did not apologize and took accountability
Sit
for
down and
your
wait for an
dirty
apology
behavior.
from people
They
you not
just
give
sat
none.
there and they
Sit down
still
and wait, they
supported you
coming.
and they still rub shoulders with you and all because them can make some coins from Facebook.
Alright people. Wanna see how long as me say? Alright. Me I got hot up like a pineapple eat and left chicken and me buy for my lunch. And go on my bed. Bless up on yourself and thanks for watching. Wanna know what to do? Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend and hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV and follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Run go over to Charms and Trend shop website and purchase one of my t-shirts. Continue to support and help me to help the needy. If I have $10 from every shirt, I can take back and make up and buy a tin of sardine. And when the end of the month come, I get a little YouTube something by uno watching the ads who can take a piece of dollar or a $1 give me. Uno watch the ads uno still support. Month when me get a little much, put it together. Me see somebody come in and me comment one day, but me I watch out for the name and I say nothing. Make sure I screenshot it. I want to wait till I see about the name before I comment on what she say. But hold on. The cash up there also $ Charms and Trends. When they give me, I use it to give back to the needy. Bless up yourself. Try not make the mistake. I didn't never give a clue for you know how you may attack. But try not make the mistake and comment and make. When me see the next comment the any other time, it give me any thoughts of what me did really I think on the first comment you make. When me done with you, I'll fly refuse you. I'm out.